Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn two most common ways to increase and decrease number of decimals in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. Firstly, we will use the most widely used and the fastest way. Go to Home. In the number section, we have these two icons. This icon is used to increase the number of decimals to show more decimal places for a more precise value. And this icon is used to decrease number of decimals. Click on the cell that you want to increase or decrease number of decimals. Go to increase and decrease. As you can see, number of decimals is increased. If you want to decrease, click here, number of decimals is decreased. The second way, right click on the cell, go to format cells. In the category, choose number, and here we have decimal places. You can increase and decrease. I will choose 2 decimals. Here is the preview of the decimals, and then OK. As we have chosen 2 decimals, here we have 2 decimals. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.